Do you want to know how to create seamless fancy transitions on Instagram with just a few clicks? Hi, I'm Catherine, and in this video, I will show you how to create a simple Instagram transition to hold the user's attention for longer and ultimately generate more revenue for your tourism business. So let's get started. Transitions help to connect your short clips together in a fun and engaging way. You can add a transition to create seamless movements between clips. Adding a transition to your reel is like cutting to a new scene in a movie. So let's create a reel featuring transitions. Open Instagram and tap on the plus button on your profile, then select Reel. Before recording your reel, tap on 15 seconds and change it to 30 seconds so you don't get cut off. Now you can record your reel or upload a video you have in your camera roll. Long press on the white button to record or swipe up and select a video in your camera roll. Let's say you own a hiking tourist company. You can include videos of people hiking up the mountains, aerial footage of the surroundings, and an attraction along the way. Now it's time to add your transitions. Click on Edit Clips and tap on Transitions. These are simple transitions that Instagram have created. All you need to do is tap on them to add. Click on the plus button and you will see different transition types. Swipe right to view them all. You can add these one by one or apply one transition to all. You can also reorder your reel clips here. Maybe you feel like your last clip would work better at the beginning. That's no problem. Click reorder and drag the clips. Once you're happy, click done and then done again. Now that you've added your transitions and you're happy with the order, it's time to add a song to match your reel. Adding a trending song suggested by Instagram will help to give your reel an extra boost so it will be shown to the right people. You want to make sure that if your reel is fast-paced, you use a song to match it and vice versa. Click on Next and select the music icon at the top and select whichever song you like. Finally, you can add text to your reel. Always add a short, snappy sentence called a hook at the start to get people to pause and watch. Tap on the two A's and add "Come and join us for a hike." Make sure your text is bolded so it's easier to read by pressing on the A with the sparkles. Now your reel featuring your transitions is good to go and ready to be shared. And there you have it. In other videos, we'll cover how to use all the main features on Instagram Reels and how to find the best trending music for Instagram. I'll see you next time. And don't forget, for more great tips, resources and insights to further fuel your marketing success, be sure to visit our business support hub at falltoireland.ie.